Hey guys, I'm here again to explain you all whether you should join ICCI or not. I think a lot of people are asking questions. Hey, I am not joining, or hey, I have joined, whether I've done correct, whether it's a correct decision or not. And also for people who have already joined, I want to give them confidence that guys, you have taken a correct decision, and please don't worry about it. I'll give you what are the good and what are the benefits you're going to get. Works. See, guys, say for example, you have lesser limit of age left. For example, one. Second, say if you don't have any interest into government, or you've already tried and failed one or two attempt, maybe if you are left as well. And say if you don't have any other option right now in your hand, which is better than this, I don't think you should think much about whether I should go or not, because it's worth taking a risk, right? Because you don't have any other opportunities. You already tried government, not working out. Then why are you like confused? Go ahead, try for it. See what happens. I'll explain you how much is the risk that you're taking. It's pretty minimum, against your career. All right. So first of all, if you have any opportunity, then only you should think. If you don't have, go for it. Say your age is almost 29, 28, and or 27. You're about to exceed that eligibility criteria, etc. Don't waste time. Please go ahead. Okay. And if you have already tried once, twice, not been able to clear a government job, go for it. Don't waste. Only if you have say too much of time left, you're in a very initial stage and you are pretty interested about government banks or government job, etc. And say if you don't have much of ambition to do something big in your career, you just want to settle down with something stable and steady, probably that is when you should think about that you want to try for something related to government. Okay. Otherwise, I would say go for it, guys. See, what is the challenge most of the people are confused about is that, hey, there is sales. How do you think that this is going to be challenging? What will happen? See, your manager will tell you to come at 9 o'clock because maybe they will have pressure, and then only they'll come back and they'll tell you guys as well. They'll work hard, work more, etc. They will ask you to come at 9, go at 8. They will tell you to leave at, say, for example, 8 p.m. You go at 9 p.m. What are you going to do at this point of time in your career? First 5 years of your career, you should be very, very, very hardworking. Because if you work hard in the initial part of your career, your later part becomes very comfortable. But if you try to make the initial part of your career very comfortable, the later will become difficult. Okay, so I would suggest all of you guys, especially those who have already taken a decision to go ahead. First of all, congratulations, guys. I'm very confident you have taken a very right decision. Okay, if you are going forward, be ready that first 5 years of your career, you will work very, very, very hard. Cool. And dedicate everything to your career, and you will see the benefits after 5 years. Okay. Cool. And I'm telling by experience. Okay. I'm not telling you stories. Works. Cool. Let's move on. Next is, see, when you're in the bank, okay, you can use some smart mechanisms. I'll tell you how you can make sales. See, there's something called analytics, right? You can look at data and you can learn a lot of things. Like, for example, you see in your branch, there is, say, for example, say 5,000 customers, for example. I'm just giving this random number, okay? Out of those 5,000 customers, you see 500 customers are there who have a lot of balance in their savings account. Okay, you will have access, right? You can find out these details. That means if you go and tell them to make an FD, they will be interested because anyways they are earning less interest, right? So these are the point to reach out. Say, for example, you see somebody who is having trading account and trading a lot. That means they have money and they're investing here and there. If you give a right, investment guidance that, hey, go for mutual funds, go for whatever kind of insurance, etc. Why will they not be interested? They already have funds. And say, for example, in last month, there are, say, 10 people who have taken mutual funds, for example. That means if you reach out to them, they will definitely have potential to refer you to 5 more new people. One person can refer you to 5. If you have 10, 50 you can get. If you reach out to those 50, you will get like 5, 10, definitely. See, think from this perspective. Say, for example, if your father is a businessman or your mom is a, say, person who's doing a service. say she's a teacher, for example. Now, say your mom opened an account and she felt very good that, hey, this person was pretty nice, helped me to open an account as well as gave me a credit card, for example. If you ask that, hey, if you have any colleague, get me some reference, I will be able to help them, it'll be great for me. Your mom will have like 3, 4, 5 friends in their school, right? Or if they're a teacher, or if they're working anywhere, they can give you, hey, these are my 3 friends who are very good, you can reach out to them. And if you reach out to them, they will have potential, right? That means they will be earning almost similar kind of salary because they're working in the same places. They will have similar kind of financial, freedom or purchase power, etc. And then you can definitely create businesses. Cool. See, few more options how you can use it. Say, for example, where we are staying, there will be like societies, right? You can reach out to those societies and talk to the president there or secretaries out there, right? Who are from the administration. Now, every society has now WhatsApp groups, etc., etc. And in these societies where, say, flat starts with 50 lakh, that means they have at least 50 lakh. That's why they have invested and taken a flat. That means think how much is their earning potential. And say in that group, if you can put a message saying that, hey, so and so, Sushil, this contact number will be able to help you with investment services, loan services, credit card, or whatever that you offer. There will be like, say, 500 in that group. Definitely 50 will reach out to you, and if you explain those 50, maybe 10 will take up as well. See, what I'm trying to say is these are few of the opportunities I am thinking and I'm telling you, and there is multiple other opportunities which are available. If you start thinking, not very difficult. Okay, so don't worry too much with the sales, etc. Manageable. You have to work hard. Definitely, I'm not saying it's easy or it will not be challenging. It will be, but think of the career ahead. Okay, and see. Don't take it as a just that, hey, sales is there, I cannot. Think also of the opportunities. Okay, what are the positives about it? So say for example, this is like rocket launching pad. This is like your career launching pad where from you can get started. Say for example, the place from where rocket is about to be launched is in Bangalore, in a remote location, which is a village. Now, when you're going, you're saying, hey, roads are not good. There's too much of jerk when I'm reaching. When I reach there, hey, it's completely muddy, dirty. It's very difficult to stay here. If you're looking into the path, but think when you're standing on that, launch pad, you get launched, where you will reach. Think of the destination. You're going to reach the space. So where from you're starting or where you are going to get launched is not very important. Think it's a big platform from where you can build up your career. See, there are a lot of people also now coming up and commenting. You should look into the comments as well. They've confirmed, and I really want to say thanks as well, who have visibilities to government sector or people, their friends are working into private sectors. They're commenting that, hey, sales is there, but manageable. We can do it. And see, my friends also, all, and including me, right? All of them are in a good places. Somebody is a senior manager in a big government bank. Somebody joined a private bank in a big, role. All are like senior manager and above right now. Okay, and they all would be earning in lakhs. So this is what I want to bring, guys. Well, there's there is trouble, there is hard work, everything is there. But if you work hard, you will earn good. You'll be able to make a good career. And especially, I'm telling people who are talented, people who have good skill sets. And if you continuously improve yourself, you will make an awesome career. I'm telling you. See, think like this: 1 year of training, somehow you have to survive for 1 year, and then you can just move on. No, there's a lot of small banks. There's Bandhan Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, and then there's a lot of small financial institutions, DHFL. Multiple organizations, opportunities are available. Somehow you have to survive. Complete your training, complete 1 year, learn everything what you're working on very clearly, learn the concepts, and then the entire world is open to you, and you have a designation of deputy manager. That means whenever you go to the next level, it's like a manager, and then you are moving to a senior manager role. So it's a very good opportunity, guys. So whoever has taken the decision, I just want to say best of luck, guys.